The Khasi Students' Union has expressed concerns over the lack of infrastructure and basic facilities in government schools in the rural areas. They allege that the Pindeng Kirit Government LP School in Mausharit Block and the Mausharit Civil Subdivision is one such school that is deprived of several basic amenities, safe drinking water and midday meal schemes since 2017. KSU took up this matter with the SDSEO Nongstoin and demanded immediate action, after which assurance was given that the issue would be addressed at the earliest.
Ila ai ke jingkular ba simkhya ba tuklar ba ka managing committee ba ni kermanskan ba in budin ba nakaliw jungi sayo ni ay budin ba ni ayo ke jingkulai ka ketpang ni madam ni employ ba simkhya ya kene kam gamar kalong ke jingku nanta ikhna school jongte kasno.
The declaration